Hello and welcome once again to this channel. So in today's video we have that we are going to solve the question 19 of the WAEC 2025 objective past question. So it says the interior angles of a hexagon are 107 degrees, 2x degrees, 150 degrees, 95 degrees, 2x minus 15 degrees and 123 degrees rather. Find the value of x. And the options are A is 57 degrees, B is 65 degrees, C is 106 degrees, and D is 120 degrees. Okay, so let's solve this question right now. First of all, let's understand what this particular problem is talking about. First, we are talking about a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. So a hexagon is a 6-sided polygon. Okay, so if it is 6-sided, it will also have the number of interior angles it will have is going to be equal to 6, right? So this is what a hexagon will be looking like. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 interior angles. Okay, now the sum of interior angles of an n-sided polygon, let's say the sum of interior angles is equal to x, is going to be equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180. Okay, if we want to get the sum of interior angles of an n-sided polygon, so in this case right now, we want to first of all know what is the sum of the interior angles, because the sum of the interior angles is going to be equal to summing all these angles that we are given to us. So in this case right now, s is going to be equal to n, in this case is equal to 6. So 6 minus 2 multiplied by 180. And that is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to what? 4 times 180, and that will be equal to 720 degrees. So that means the sum of the angles in this hexagon is going to be equal to 720 degrees. But for this hexagon we are given here right now, we're given that the angles are 107, 2x, 150, 95, 2x minus 15, and 123. So it therefore means that 107 degrees plus 2x degrees plus 150 degrees plus 95 degrees plus 2x minus 15 degrees plus 123 is going to be equal to 720 degrees. Okay, so that is it. Now the next thing we're going to do right now is to collect like terms. So let me collect the constant terms first. I have 107, which is this one. I have here also plus 150. I also have here plus 95. I can actually take the negative number here, so minus 15. Then plus 123. That would be also then plus, I have this one here, which is 2x. And I also have another 2x here plus 2x. That will be equal to 720 degrees. Okay, so 107 plus 150 minus 95 minus 15 plus 123 is going to be equal to 460. Okay, also 2x plus 2x is going to be equal to 4x. So we have that 460 plus 4x is going to be equal to 720. Okay, let me just write it like this, 720. So I can actually take this 460 to the right hand side. I'm going to have that 4x is going to be equal to 720 minus 460, and that would be equal to 260. Okay, so the value of x is going to be equal to dividing here by 4, dividing here by 4. So x is going to be equal to 260 over 4, which is the same as, if I go here, 26 is going to be 6 times, right? And then 2 here is going to be equal to 20, so 5. I'm going to have it to be equal to 65 degrees. So x is going to be equal to 65 degrees. So based on what we solved in this particular video right now, here is a question for you. It says that the angles of a pentagon are 110 degrees, 2x degrees, 130 degrees, x plus 10 degrees, and 140 degrees. Find the value of x. Option A is 30 degrees, option B 40 degrees, option C is 50 degrees, option D is 60 degrees. So solve this question and put your answers in the comment section, right? And also share this video with your learning colleagues so that they can also learn from this. Okay, so here's a hint in this video. We're talking about a pentagon here. So a pentagon has 5 sides, right? So that's a hint you're going to use to solve the particular question. So if you like this video, help me by subscribing to this channel if you haven't. Also share this video with your colleagues so that they can also learn from this. Without much further ado, I will leave you to eat that. Math is easy. Have a nice day. Thank you.